Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm just going to be doing just like a pop of blue eyeshadow. I found a picture on Instagram and it was like a friend of someone that I follow on Instagram, so they didn't leave like any of her information, so I'm not going to share the picture just because she may not want it out there. But she's a brown skin girl and she did like a pop of blue in her eyes. Let's go ahead and get into it. So I have like different swatches on my hand that have like different colors I tried mixing. So this, what is this? It's a Jordana Easy Eyeliner for Eyes. It's called Tantalizing Teal. So this one looks closest to what she had, and then there's kind of like a little bit of, because it has a little bit of shimmer in it. So we're going to try to put this on the inner corner. Okay. On the inner part of the eye once we get everything else done. So I'm going to go in to, I did like a brows and foundation already. I just have to finish the rest after I do this. But yeah, let's go ahead and see if we can recreate it. So this cool tone brown right here. Oops. This brown here. So yeah, we're going to go into that and then just kind of put it in, because it almost looks like, it's not black, but it's like really dark. So we're just, as our transition color, we'll use Central Park and then just pop that as our transition. I mean, I don't think we can go too wrong with this, but yeah. I'm gonna deepen it up, deepen both eyes up a little bit more with Central Park. I think I'll be using most of that. I'm just gonna be dragging it down kind of on the lid as well. All right, then we're gonna go into Soda Pop. I just hope it's not too dark, but we're gonna just a little bit. So Soda Pop is this color right here, right here. Yeah, I'm just gonna pop Soda Pop here, like on the outer V area. Go in with Central Park and then just kind of go here just because we need a little bit more on the lid. And then go back and then blend Soda Pop in. Alright guys, so I had to do a voiceover for this portion of the video because my son was in the background asking questions, so you couldn't really explain fully what I was doing. But basically I'm just taking the Tantalizing shade, Tantalizing Teal pencil, and then just putting that in the inner corner of both eyes, like just like the upper top corner, and then the inner down to the bottom inner corner, if that makes sense, just to use as a base for the eyeshadow that we're going to use. The shade was a little bit too teal, so we're going to add a pop of blue shadow as well. In my MAC palette, we're going to try this. In my MAC palette, I have a blue color that was really pretty. It matches like my shirt, but it's matte, so, but it's really pretty. It is called, let's see if I can get this out, Atlantic Blue. So I don't know, I've been like loving blue lately. I like want to do my nails blue and all that stuff too, so we'll see. But I'm going to go into Atlantic Blue just a little bit and just kind of go over this some. Alright, so we're going to go back in with Central Park and pop this underneath the bottom. And then we'll take that fluffy brush again and just kind of blend it out. And that is it. I'm just going to take a little bit of this Central Park color on the lids again, just to kind of blend it together with the blue. Alright, so that is it for the eyes. Oh no, it's not. I mean, it's for like the eyeshadows and stuff. So we're gonna go in and do lashes and mascara and all that stuff, and then show you guys the final results after we do like bronzer and stuff like that. So alright guys, so here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.